Katie with Friends of the Reedy River. Have you ever wondered why there's these large stones and boulders in the stream? They're called rock veins. Rock veins are structures that establish grade control and prevent streambank erosion. Veins can be constructed with large stones, boulders, logs, or a combination of these. The vein is composed of a center section perpendicular to the stream banks and joined by two arms that create a U shape from one bank to the other in an upstream direction. Sediment accumulates behind the vein arms and directs flow to the center of the stream, away from the stream banks. The rock vein not only diverts the flow of the water, but it creates habitat and natural channel design by providing water that goes over the rocks, creating riffles, a pool just below the rocks, and a run for the river to carry on.